So I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be solving and completing this assignment, the Solve for Proportions maze. And you can also use these skills from Google Slides on other assignments then too. So what I need to do is solve for each of my variables. So if I'm solving for the very first one where it says begin, because I'm trying to get to the end, I have 4 over p equals 11 over 2. So I'm going to cross multiply. So I have 11 times p equals 4 times 2. And then that equals 11p equals 8. Once I simplify that and solve for the 4 times 2 part. So then next I'm going to be using my calculator to divide each side by 11 because I'm using those inverse operations. So I have 8 divided by 11. So I end up with 72 hundredths repeating, and I see that right here as my answer. So I'm going to grab this arrow from here. I'm going to make a copy of that. I'm going to draw an arrow then to my next problem that I'm going to solve for. So now I have to solve for this one, and whatever my answer is, I'm going to be drawing another arrow to the next problem. So let's work on this one together. We will end up having 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is going to equal 8x. So that means that I have 12 equals 8x. Since my variable is on this side, I need to get that by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides then by 8. So 12 divided by 8 equals 1.5. So then what I'm going to do then is, again, make another copy of my arrow. And you can always insert your own arrows as well. And I have to just drag this towards the 1.5 part because that was my answer. And then that takes me to the next proportion that I'm going to be solving for. And you're going to keep adding arrows until you get all the way down to the end right here.